Hi, welcome to my channel. Feel free to friend me on Instagram and we can talk more freely one-on-one if you want to. Howdy. So, tomorrow, let's see what we're having. I know it's ground beef, but it is ground beef and salsa. All right then. So let's think. I need to put these away. So some smoked paprika, some garam masala, let's put a little turmeric in it. That's a pretty color seasoning. Let's put some coriander. This is for you, Marnie. Some coriander. Put in some curry powder. And pinch of chili powder, not too much. Man, I was burping for most of the day today after I ate that lunch. Whew, but it was so good. And I'm gonna add a little salt. I'll put a little silly salt with it instead of regular salt. Alright, so that's gonna be my main tomorrow. Okay, so that. Oh, I forgot to pull out my yogurt. So I'll get a yogurt. So that'll go in here. I'm going to have some salad tomorrow for lunch as well. So we're going to need a grown-up spoon, a plastic spoon, and a fork. So for my salad, I'm going to have a serving of the cabbage. Since I'm not going out of town tomorrow, I'm kind of excited. I was excited to go, but man, getting up at 4 o'clock in the morning, that is not my thing. So, all right, so now my dressing, zero that out. And I'll put in 2 servings. And I'm going to put a little bit of sesame seeds just for a little texture. Oh, and I'll put in some silly salt instead of Greek seasoning. We'll use that instead. So there we go. So ta-da! And there's my breakfast and my lunch tomorrow. And yeah. And I just keep my scale out at all times because you never know when you're going to need it. And I'm still pondering on what we're going to do with this thing. So we'll figure it out this weekend. Okay, bye. Tomorrow is the last day of the already made up coffees. So starting Friday, I'll be using hot water and mixing it up that way. Just hot water from the sink or microwave or whatever. But I'll be mixing it up that way. One thing good about it is it's not going to take up space in my refrigerator. So, because I've just got all the little containers back there on my deep freeze. So they're all put together and waiting to go. So all I have to do is add water. And so the powders, they're dry, so they don't have to be refrigerated. So yeah, after tomorrow, I'll be making up fresh coffee, protein coffee every day. Hello, it's breakfast time. It's 8 o'clock. I have mixed berry yogurt and my coffee, and that's what I'm having for breakfast. Man, I was 1.69.0. I was like, come on. Tried to go to the bathroom. I even tried to poop. Didn't work. Just 0.1 away. 0.1 away. I forgot. Let's see what the lid says this morning. Help cut waste. Reuse this cup. Seed planter, storage, portable doggy dish. Woof. So that's what my lid says. Reuse this cup. Okay, bye. Hello, it is 10 after 11 and I'm hungry. So I've got my cabbage salad and I have my 8 ounces of 73% with my salsa and seasonings. That's what I'm having for lunch today. Howdy. Tonight I've got my pulled pork and I wanted to try this when I have not tried it yet. I bought it and just haven't opened it, so I just opened it. Woo! Does this have some kick? It's good. It's the G Hughes sugar-free Thai chili. I'm not kidding. It has kick. This is wing sauce, and I'm gonna put it in my pulled pork. So it's 1 tablespoon is a serving, and with that kick, I do not want more than a tablespoon. Let me just tell you. All right, so there's the tablespoon, and then since that's kind of Thai, Asian related, we're also gonna have some sugar-free Polynesian. So 1 serving of this is 32 grams. Well, I'll probably do 30, but okay, 32 grams it is. I like the taste of this one. So I'm gonna put the lid on. I already microwave it for 1 minute. So I'm gonna do it for 2 minutes. Let's see if how our turnip is. This is 200 grams of turnips. These are roasted turnips, looks like. They're cubed, so I am sure I put it on a cookie sheet and did them. Let's see if it's hot enough. I could go for a little longer. Hang on. Now, let's get this stirred up. I don't really know what seasonings they use with Asian food. If you know, let me know. Just tell me some seasonings down in the comments. Ow. That, like powdered seasonings like I use. Tell me what goes good with Asian food, because you know me, I'm just going to grab whatever. And I don't know, if there's something that can enhance it or whatever. So if you know, what some seasonings are that are pretty common with Asian food, let me know. In the meantime, I'll put a little paprika. And I'm going to put a little garam masala. And I'm going to put, I forgot I had some of these. I'll use this one. I have some called mixed up garlic seasoning. They had it. Oh, it's never been opened. No, I'm not going to use that one. Are you open? Oh, you're not open either. All right, then we're going to go back to, where is she? Where's our girl? Then we'll use our Paula Deen silly salt, because that's going to have a couple different types of things in it. So that's what I'm going to have for supper, is this pulled pork with the G Hughes seasonings or sauces, and then my roasted turnips. So there's our supper. Have a good night. Here's what my macros are. Bye, guys.